Good morning, student. The next article is thermal conductivity of gases. In last article, we have to see the coefficient of viscosity of gases. The next one is thermal conductivity of gases. In this article, we have to find out the expression for the coefficient of thermal conductivity of gas. Okay. The definition of thermal conductivity of gas. The coefficient of thermal conductivity of material is defined as the quantity of heat energy conducted in steady state, not moving, in steady state through unit area per unit time per unit temperature gradient. This is the definition of coefficient of thermal conductivity of gases. If d theta by dz is the temperature gradient, this is the temperature gradient along the material, the quantity of heat theta conducted through a unit area in unit time is given by Q, capital Q is equal to K into d theta by dz. This is the expression 1. The diagram is, these are the x, o, y plane, these are the layer of the gases A, B and C. These are the velocity of gases. E layer velocity is theta, B layer velocity is theta plus lambda d theta by dz, and C layer velocity is theta minus lambda into d theta by dz. Okay. Then consider a unit area A. The number of molecules from layer B crossing this unit area A in a unit time in the downward direction is 1 by 6 nc, and the corresponding mass transported will be 1 by 6 mnc. Okay. N is the number of molecules per unit volume of the gas, and C is the RMS velocity, and M is the mass of the gas of each molecule. Therefore, the total energy transported by the molecule move downward. Okay, downward from layer B and crossing layer A per unit area per unit time will be mnc by 6 CV into theta plus lambda d theta by dz. Okay, where CV is the specific heat of gas constant volume. Okay, therefore this is for area B or layer B expression. Similarly, for the total energy transported by molecule moving upward from layer C and crossing the layer A per unit area per unit time will be, this is layer C, equation is mnc by 6 CV into theta minus lambda d theta by dz. Okay, this is layer B equation, this is layer C equation. This is downward force and this is upward force. Therefore, the net quantity heat Q transfer per unit area per unit time in the downward direction will be Q is equal to mnc by 6 CV into theta plus lambda d theta by dz minus mnc by 6 CV into theta minus lambda d theta by dz. Okay, solve this equation, multiply this term in this bracket, mnc by 6 into CV into theta plus mnc by 6 into lambda d theta by dz minus mnc by 6 into cv into theta minus minus plus mnc by 6, sorry, this is cv in bracket lambda d theta by dz. Same term will be cancelled. This is mnc by 6 cv into theta minus mnc, sorry, opposite term will be cancelled. mnc by 6 into cv into theta will be cancelled. The same term will be common. Write down mnc by 6 into cv. This cv and this cv will be cancelled, sorry, common, and lambda d theta by dz and lambda d theta by dz will be common. Lambda d theta by dz. Addition of these two, mnc plus mnc, this is 2 mnc by 6. Okay, the 1/3 mnc to 3. Okay, mnc cv in bracket lambda d theta by dz. This is equation number 2. 1/3 q is equal to 1/3 mnc cv lambda d theta by dz. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. What is one equation? Q is equal to k into d theta by dz. This is first equation and this is second equation. Write down k into the d theta by dz is equal to 1/3 mnc cv into lambda into d theta by dz. Okay, same term will be cancelled. What is the equation? K is equal to 1/3 mnc cv into lambda, or k is equal to 1/3 rho into cv into lambda. Since m into n is equal to mass into number of molecules is the density, rho is the density, and this is equation number 3rd. Okay, since mn is equal to rho is the density of gas. Okay, from equation last we have to see in the equation eta is equal to 1/3 rho c lambda. Write down from equation eta is equal to 1/3 rho c lambda. We have seen this equation or expression in last article. From equation this and equation 3rd gives, or we get, put the value of this equation. K is equal to 1/3 rho c into lambda. This is the value of eta. Okay, into cv. Therefore k is equal to, this is the value of eta into cv. This is equation number 4. Okay, and this is the equation of thermal conductivity of gases.